Watching our International Live from Moscow, I'm Marina Joshua. Welcome to the program, and we'll begin with breaking news this hour. A Russian Navy ship has fired warning shots at a Turkish boat in the Aegean Sea. Let's bring in our Leah Petrenka for more details. Well, yeah, what more can you tell us about this incident so far?
Hello, Marina. Well, I can tell you that the Turkish military attaché in Moscow has been summoned to the Russian Defense Ministry after a potentially explosive situation in the Aegean Sea. Now, the Russian Navy had to open small arms fire across the bow of a Turkish fishing boat. According to the Russian army, the vessel was approaching a Russian Navy ship that was anchored in the waters, in the northern waters of the Aegean Sea off the coast of a Greek island. So the Russian military ship wasn't moving at that time, and the crew realized that the Turkish fishing boat was in a collision course, so it began taking various measures to avoid that, like sending radio and light signals as well as launching flares into the air. There was no response to that, and that is when the military started firing bullets, although Moscow stresses that those were only warning shots and they can't have damaged the vessel itself, and that's how the collision was finally avoided.
Okay, so this is what happened there, and as always, we continue to monitor the situation. But for now, thanks for bringing us up to date on this incident.